You will be his only woman in this world. It's true, you're the only one he sees. He will never betray your love. You will be.
Oh, tu seras la femme la plus heureuse du monde. C'est vrai, il n'y a que toi à la ronde. Mais jamais je ne te trahirai.
Boys and wise men have reason. Sing of a love that is pure. Forget hate, pain, and dictatorship. Long live lovers and never cries. You will be.
Les poètes et les sages ont eu raison de me chanter l'amour. Abat les amours, la haine, la dictature. Vive les amoureux et les démocrates. Tu seras.
He's turned a new page far from his past, with no regrets and no worries, no pain and no fear. Though he might have been a player, he will never let you down. You will be.
J'ai tourné la page du passé, sans regret, sans critique. Je suis appris ta peur, même si une fois j'étais dragueur, mais jamais je ne te trahirai. Tu seras.
To you he looks for a confidant. His soulmate, his love, his darling, his life, his soul. With you he can face his fear. You will be.
Je ferai de toi ma confidente, mon âme sœur, ma maîtresse, ma rose, ma déesse, ma seule compagne. Tu seras très heureuse, tu verras, tu seras.
His pains and his sorrows have disappeared. He heard of you before he met you. You are the woman of his dreams. You are the one to be praised. With you he finds his courage. With you he can face his foes. You will be.
Mes chagrins, mes peines viennent de disparaître. J'ai de toi sans te connaître. Tu es la femme dont on parlait, si bien les génies de grâce. Avec toi j'aurai le courage de regarder mes ennemis en face. Tu seras.
You'll be the happiest. You'll be the happiest. Listen, no, listen to his words. He has never known this love. He will never let you down. You'll be the happiest. You'll be the happiest. You'll be the happiest. You'll be the happiest.